Me and Owen are out at White Rocks today.
There's major bugs out here.
There's major bugs out here.
We both got a weekly bug.
We are at the Appalachian Trail. And we are going to go on this hike today. What's in this bag? Concert.
I'm not going to no concert. I'm going to the top of this hill.
All right. So we are going... Where's the trail? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
All right. So we will check in with you guys along the way. I know this isn't the normal content that you guys are used to, but we decided we would go hiking today. So we're going to bring you guys along for the hike. All right.
Yeah.
Pretty steep.
Insanely steep.
It's pretty difficult. A very rocky trail. It's more difficult than I thought.
They can't just have an observation car to get us up there.
But we're moving up. We're going up.
Gonna see the top of the mountain no matter what. That we would just
I think we're getting close.
Yeah.
I think we're getting close to the top.
The little rock step.
So we made it to the top.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice view.
Yeah.
Took about half hour maybe
Yeah.
to get up here. It's nice though.
Hey, look at.
Going back down. Well, back up, then back down, then back up, then back down. Heading back down.
Going back down.
Down will be easier than up. Made it back.
There's a lot of vibrant cars here.
We're back to the beginning. That was fun. It's a pretty easy trail. Anybody can probably do it. If you're less than 70 years old, you'd probably be all right.
And older than 5 years old.
So yeah. Catch you in the next video.
Peace. I'm dead.